Welcome to MarineMax. I'm Clancy Boyer. We're in beautiful Fort Myers taking a look at Floridays, which is a 2017 Sea Ray 40-footer. This is a special boat. In fact, it's the only one we have available in the U.S. We have nothing in brokerage, nothing in used. This is it. This is Florida's flagship for boating in this community. 40-footer is a great side. Has horizon hull, which is very rare. Has a lot of unique features. So step aboard and we'll take a look. Some of the unique features on this boat are, for one, the hydraulic swim platform. If you've ever had a hydraulic swim platform that lower down and you have to jump down or climb up, this has got the cascading stairway, which makes it really, really nice to be able to board and exit the boat. So if you're beaching, having fun at the lake, whatever it is you're doing, it's as simple as this. Walk down the steps, you're on a swim platform, you can put a chair on there, hang out, have your own beach off of a beach. So it's a pretty neat setup. While back here enjoying the back of the boat, you have a sure shade that comes out, gives you fantastic shade from the sun, protection against a light drizzle, a light rain. If you're out here grilling with a Kenyon grill, which is electric, very safe for a boat and works fantastic, evenly heats, lots of storage underneath. And as we move forward, come on in. Hi, welcome aboard. Floridays is a 2017 model, but one thing that's unique about the boat is it was put into service last year, September of 2018, so it's only been in service for about a year. Lots of warranty left. The boat is just loaded with options. I've never seen one with so many options. So we'll just go over some of the features real quick, but you can see additional photos and additional information online. As you step on, you come up, you've got a lot of seating in the outside area. Hideaway cooler that the owner put his own canvas over to hide the coolers. Table flips away for easy seating. Lots and lots of seating. Unique feature on this boat is underneath this cushion is actually a cool box. So instead of a cooler or a refrigerator, it's a cool box. Keep things cool. The special thing about this boat is the way the back end collapses. You notice that we're not dealing with canvas. We're not messing with a lot of things here. We come on the boat, we enjoy our day. We get off the boat, we lock the door, and we go away. But let me show you how these doors collapse. It's pretty neat. The other feature that this boat has that I have not seen on another 400 is a screen door. Pretty cool, huh? Haven't seen that on any of the other boats. So as you want to collapse the doors, you just flip this. And look at what a difference this makes. You've got continuous seating all the way around for your guests, your family. The outside, the roof's open, free airflow. But if it happens to get hot or happens to get cool, you can always close the doors, close the roof, close the windows, and have controlled temperatures inside. The sofa here pulls out into a bed. Extra sleeping area, extra guests. This is a high-low table, so you can adjust it to whatever you need. You have a nice television set up here, stereo system. You also have a television down below. This is pretty cool too, the way they did this. Sea Ray was very creative on this boat. So instead of having a big corner cabinet with all of your controls, they're all right here. Easy to get to, easy to see. Just a very nice setup. Air conditioning's fantastic. You've got a 43'6" boat, overall length, with a 13'6" beam. So she's beaming. You're going to notice as you go through the boat that you have a lot of space, and that's due to the beam. As you move forward, you can see we've got dual Raymarine controls. This boat's operated with a 480 Cummins, 480 horsepower, so you're close to 1,000 horsepower total. You can operate the boat traditionally with the sticks, with paddles, or you have a bow thruster that you can use, or you can use the joystick. So with the joystick, I'm totally going sideways, I'm maneuvering, dog-legging, whatever it is I want to do, and not touching anything else, just using the joystick. So very creative, very user-friendly. The boat's got all the stuff on it. You've got your VHF, all the controls. You notice I've got the roof open, opens and closes quickly, very large roof. In the galley area, we've got a lot of storage, large drawers all over, big refrigerator, convection sink, and a wine storage cabinet. Heading down below, our first stop is going to be the second berth. In here you'll find twin bunks that can be slid together and have a queen size, or you can leave them separated. Fantastic air conditioning. You have residential size air conditioning vents down here, so it really pumps the air in. Lots and lots of storage over here on the side. These cabinets open up and lots of storage. Huge closet right here that lights up, and you'll notice there's a safe at the bottom. All right, you'll notice as we go through the boat, you'll see some ports. We have a central vac system on the boat, so it makes it easy for cleanup, self-storing. The unique thing about this boat is the twin head setup. Very few boats have that. This is only the second one I've ever seen with that setup. So here's your day head, your guest head. Lots and lots of storage once again. Those of you who have had Sea Rays know the quality, the fit, the finish, and the emphasis on storage and user friendliness. The shower's really cool. It's kind of a beam me up Scotty type thing. You just close the doors. No curtains involved. Dry head, so very nice setup. Let's move on to the master. As we move forward, you'll see that there's a lot of storage. Once again, anyone who's had a bow thruster, had an issue with blowing a fuse, this is really a neat thing that happens here. Sea Ray's opened this up to make it a very easy access to get to your bow thruster. It's as simple as that. Change your fuse and you're on your way. Twin closets, his and hers. Another television, and here's the second head. This is the unique thing about this boat over the others. You have a second full head with a full shower. Very convenient, very nice. When you have guests over, the captain has his private head, private shower. All right, let's move outside and take a look at what the boat has to offer out there. All right, as we approach the bow area, you can see we have an easy walkway, high railing, lots and lots of glass, good visibility. We've got a beach chair set up here. So these either lay flat or they're in a beach position now. There's covers to cover all of this. There's sun screens to cover all the windows to cut down to make it easy on the air conditioning. And everything gets covered in the back, all the cushions. This boat comes with a complete cover set for all the cushions. As we approach the bow area, look at the windlass anchor. We thank you for being here and enjoying Florida days. Give me a call. My name is Clancy Boyer. My number is 573-470-7776.